the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a Copycat Chick-Fil-A sauce. We're going to need for our ingredients a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 a cup of plain barbecue sauce. We're also going to need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. Next, we're just going to put everything into this bowl. You want to grab a whisk and we're going to mix it together. Vinegars, chili powder, lemon juice, garlic powder, our sugar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our mayonnaise. Barbecue sauce. And our mustard. Okay, now guys, you can just go ahead and whisk everything together. Okay guys, so here you have it. Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce. Go ahead and give it a taste. And if you guys would like for it to be a little thicker, all you have to do is cover it up and put it in the refrigerator. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Remember, this is Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce. So if you like this video, please come back, please subscribe and like. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.